Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the map on the Monopoly Go application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. New, click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the fourth option, the map, under the tokens button. And here you can check the map, New York City, London, Venice, Paris, and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.